Hello guys, what's up? It's me Nomo, and I intentionally wanted to make this video because I got a lot of requests from my subscribers, and one particular person, Fat Yoshi. I'm gonna put his channel in the link in the description. Thank you for giving me the idea, cause I really wanted to show you guys a tutorial. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how do I make visuals. So the visual if you guys don't know what visual effects is, I'll pull them up on the screen for you now. Yeah, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make some of those, but I'm not going to be teaching you guys on how to make all of the effects because it's just going to be a long tutorial. So I think I'm going to show you one or two of them, and then I'll make some other tutorials on how to make some other ones. So I think this will be the first one, and then I'll make some other ones on maybe a new channel called Nomo Tutorials or something, I don't know. But let's get into it. Alright, so you can use whatever video editor you want, as long as you can download some of these plugins, alright? So the first thing you're gonna want to do is maybe go to your file explorer or something, I don't know. I don't know what you guys do, but yeah, go in here and let's find an image that I can do. So I have a lot of images saved on here because it's from previous videos I made. So why don't we get this one? So we're gonna as I said before, you want to have it for a nice sweet 1 minute. A nice 1 minute, alright? And then you're gonna wanna go all the way down here, scroll all the way back here, not too far, and then scroll like this, and then do that, and then go like that, pew, like that, yeah. And actually, you're gonna wanna have to do that last, or maybe in the middle, but yeah, have it like this. The one thing you want to have to do is go to Unsharp Mask, and you're gonna want to get this. You can do it however you like it, but I'm just gonna do around 4,000 because that's more bolder, you know. And then what we want to do is we want to now do this, go the way here. And this is the one that I already demonstrated to you guys, so I'm not gonna even do it. I'm not gonna even show you, I don't know, give you guys all the info to it. So let's go to warp perspective. Let me just move my microphone. Sorry, it sounds a little bit loud, but alright. We're gonna do this, and then we are going to put this all the way down on around 1,000. That looks pretty good. You're gonna want to press this clock, go all the way here, Z-dist, and then we're gonna have to get roll and swing, and then we're gonna put it around 130 to 120. I'm just gonna do 124.90, and see. Do you see how that looks good? But the next thing you want to do is, hold on, we're gonna have to fix this because it's too far away. Did it? We don't want to Z-dist it too far, so we're gonna just go do we're gonna do around 5.5 or 5,500 is what if you guys want to call it that way. Actually, no, that's way too long. Way too far away. I just want to do the best I can for you guys, because I bet you guys have been waiting for this for like a long time. But anyways, we're gonna have to get that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, not really. You're gonna want to also get HSL adjust. scroll all the way down here. Bling. And that looks really good. And then the very last and final good part. We're gonna want to go all the way down to S feedback. So we're gonna get this. This is what you guys are gonna have to do. So we're gonna have to do previous brightness all the way to 1000. And then the one last thing we're gonna have to do is combine new. You do it over because you like that. I'm gonna show you how it guys looks. It's a bit laggy, but yeah, I'll show you guys once it's slower. See? Doesn't that look cool? And I'm gonna put Retired Ark's link down because he taught me how to do this. Cause I commented on one of his videos when he did this effect, and I told him, how do you do this effect? And then he told me, and now I know how to do it. So yeah, that's pretty good. But the next thing I'm gonna show you guys how to do is what is it? Alright, I'm gonna have to pull up another effect. Here we go. That one, okay. Alright. So the ones that you guys want me to do will be the one where I do this. That one, yes, and I'll do that. So the one thing we're gonna have to get from like what we did from the one thing that we did. Let's get that one picture that we pulled up, alright? We're gonna do this. And then we're gonna do it for another sweet 1 second. And that'll be 2 seconds, okay? And yeah, this is gonna look good. But what we're gonna have to do is, the first thing we're gonna have to do, we're gonna go all the way up here until we see the letter C. And that's gonna be cookie cutter. So we're gonna have to do default cookie cutter, right? And when we change the size all the way to around 197, right? Yeah, that's good. Actually, hold on. Oh, 150 is too little. Alright, 197. Okay, that's good. And the next thing what we're gonna have to do is we are going to get we're gonna get 3D extrusion, 3D ignite. Let's go to ignite. 3D I'm just gonna put it up on Word, and it's not responding. Let's just wait. Alright, guys. So, sorry for the wait, but anyways, we're gonna do depth. So the depth is very important. We're gonna want to do 8503, alright? And now, we're gonna have to do all these effects. So, like this. Do that. We're going to want to put them all the way here. Then we're going to do another one. And now, for this, we're going to go all the way to the zeros. Now. And, so we're going to have to see how that looks. We're gonna have to do it for around 2 to 5 seconds, 2 seconds and 5 milliseconds. So that's gonna be good. And then the next thing we're gonna want to do is we're gonna have to get unsharp mask for this, because this has to be good, great, is what I mean. So do you see how good that is? The outlining, even though it looks like it's outlined like that, you can see little plain rocks. But yeah, that's gonna be good. And then yeah, let me have a look. Next thing we're gonna want to get, we're gonna get RGB red giant universe RGB separation. So what this is gonna not responding again. We're gonna have to wait again. Alright guys, another waiting. I don't know why, but anyways, let's do this. Let's do how far we can do this. So we can do 743.54 if you have a 1280 display. Well, actually, let's just go back. And I'm gonna change it to 9 to 20, 23 FP. So that's gonna be good. Then we can do we can definitely do it all the way to 500. But we're gonna have to put it all the way down to 0. Then we're gonna get angle. So bam, and then bam. There. And the next thing we can do is you can either use S feedback or S trails. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's try S feedback for an example, and then once we do that, we're gonna go all the way down to the newer one. Alright, I'm gonna do over. Oh yeah, one more thing, guys. The one thing we're gonna have to do is, oh, that actually looks really good. But we're gonna also have to have a rainbow in there. So if you guys don't want rainbow, you don't have to add rainbow. Just follow my steps, alright? Or you don't have to follow all my steps, but you know what I mean. What the hell? Bruh. I'm just gonna cut it out. Click it. Alright, guys, so we're gonna get pew, pew, and then bam, and then a blam, a blam, a blam, a blam. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's looking very, very schmexy. But again, we're not gonna be using S feedback. We're gonna be using S trails. So it works exactly like S feedback, but it looks extremely different. So yeah, we're gonna do the same things, but it's gonna have a totally different effect. So yeah, but for the RGB separation, you're gonna also still want it like this, because it's still you need the thing to cover up the entire screen. You don't want it to look like a shriveled mess, right? But you can also add distortion if you want, but adding distortion will just make it look really stupid. So yeah, this is not the only tutorial I'm gonna be making. I'm gonna be making, but this will be the only tutorial for now, until I can be able to make some other ones. Until then, thank you guys for watching, and this would be a really good video, and cause like a lot of people requested this again, like I said. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Not trying to copy Plainrock's lines and stuff, but oh yeah, and here's gonna be the rendered video that I made. So let's check the results. Bam. Yeah, thank you guys for helping me get to 110 subscribers. That's awesome. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.